Hi there. In this video, we will learn that how VES, that is the variable elasticity of substitution production function, looks like when we plot it in a 3D diagram and how the surface of it looks like. This is the production function that we have been using in our previous examples, where we calculated its marginal product, where we calculated the shares, as well as we found the equilibrium condition. Here we are going to visualize the same VES production function. Before we go there, I suggest that you subscribe if you haven't and click the bell icon so that you get latest information regarding these quantitative economics and research videos, and you may also like it if you find it useful. So this is the production function that we have used before, and now we are going to see its visualization. So this is how it will look like in a 3D diagram. Let us rotate it. Before we do this, let's just try to recall that this is Z, this is X, and this is Y. Basically, Z is representing the output, X is representing capital, and Y is representing labor. And since it's a 3D diagram, we have to rotate it in order to get a better idea. This was clockwise rotation, and now we are doing this counterclockwise rotation. And we are trying to focus on this part of the Cartesian coordinates, that is the positive quadrant, where all of them, they are in positive value, because we are dealing with economic variables, the quantities, and they are positive values. Let it rotate further, and we can see this is the side of this diagram. This would be the back side of the desirable region, that is the positive quadrant, and this would be the other side, the side on the left of the positive quadrant, the desirable region, and this is the desirable region that we are trying to focus on, where all the positive values are cut. Let us continue the rotation just for one more time so that we clearly see that how it looks like. This is again the undesirable sides, that is the back side where the values are negative, and they are undesirable because this is not any mathematical situation, this is an economic situation. So now let us focus on the this side, that is the economically meaningful part. And you can see that this is a surface, and it is quite similar to what we have seen in constant elasticity of substitution production function and in the Cobb-Douglas production function, as we had similar surfaces over there which can give rise to curves that can be considered as the indifference curves if we plot some lines on this surface, and it is quite similar to that. So VES is actually another type of production function. It may look a little intricate from its functional form, but it is giving rise to this surface which is going to give rise to indifference curves. They may be close to Leontief production function, they may be close to Cobb-Douglas production function, but the thing is that the elasticity of substitution is variable, and as labor and capital change, it also changes. So this is the VES production function, its visualization in 3D, the surface, and the possible indifference curves that we can extract from it. Thank you.